Have you ever had chicken livers with onions? I learned how to make this when I worked in a supper club when I was a young teenager. The chef used to bake a large batch of this twice a week, and it just smelled divine. Once I tasted it, I was hooked. This can be an acquired taste, but you should give things a try, and you never know if you're going to like them. This recipe can be made and eaten in 3 different ways. You can bake this, as I did today, and mash it as a chicken liver pate, or you can bake it and eat it whole as an easy dinner recipe, or you can fry the livers with caramelized onions and then serve it with a side of toast. Either way, here's how I made mine today. I cleaned and prepared the chicken livers. I did a rough dice of the onions. I added this to a Dutch oven and I baked it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I added a little bit of olive oil to the pan and I alternated layers of onions and the liver pieces, and then I sprinkled on seasoned salt and pepper. You put the lid on the kettle and you bake it for 30 minutes. Then I took it out and I gave it a stir and I added then a whole stick of butter diced up. Put the lid back on, cover it and bake it for 40 minutes. And then at this point, it's done. You can either leave it whole and again eat it as a meal with toast on the side, or you can put another side, or you can mash it and serve it as an appetizer.